I did watch a lot of stuff leading up to it, and yeah, so I was ready. थोड़ा बहुत plane में भी preparation रही. So yeah, it was quite interesting. The whole journey was quite interesting. हम लोग almost गलत terminal पे पहुँचते हुए almost plane miss करते कराते पहुँचे हैं.
Right.
I was via Bhopal, but we were there timely, and 11 o'clock. The world changed for me. My life changed. 22nd of November 2012, 11 a.m. India time. So that interview, which was set for 1 hour, we didn't want to stop, and I have a recording of 72 minutes, and that had to be stopped because Shan, the singer, and Shantanu Moitra, the music director, walked in. That was Gulzar Saab's next meeting. So he said, Beta, ab aa gaye hain log, so let's wrap up.
Okay.
So I didn't think much of it in the sense that wo interview kahan jayega, kaise receive hoga. All I wanted was to share that interview on the radio. On radio, we got phenomenal response. There was, a call that I was driving on the highway and I had to park at the shoulder because I couldn't go on.
Yeah.
There was so much to listen to. I couldn't drive and pay full attention to the interview. So I had to stop. So, it was really, really amazing. And it connected me to people who I had never even known, like Pavan Jha ji, who actually runs Gulzar Saab's social media, and he's an authority on Gulzar Saab, but not just Gulzar Saab. He's an authority on film, music, films, and is an archivalist as well, film historian. उनका एक ग्रुप होता था फेसबुक पर जिससे मैं कनेक्टेड नहीं थी, बट मेरे इंटरव्यू से मैं अशोक बिंदल जी से जुड़ी, जो कि गुलजार साहब के फ्रेंड और क्लोज एसोसिएट हैं. उन्होंने मुझे मैसेज डाला कि आपका इंटरव्यू बहुत अच्छा लगा, और अभी मैं गुलजार साहब के साथ था तो बात हो रही थी कि ये ही थॉट दैट दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द नॉट बेस्ट बट वेरी डिफरेंट इंटरव्यू. ही सेड जो मुझसे पूछने आते हैं क्वेश्चन वो यही पूछते हैं कि आप के सफ़ेद कपड़े और आपके जूते या फिल्मों की बात करेंगे, बट माई फोकस वॉज टोटली ऑन हिज लिटरेचर, ऑन लाइफ, एंड ही मेंशन दैट एट दैट कोरम talk as well.
I noticed that as well, because he mentioned that ज़्यादातर लोग जो उनसे सवाल पूछते हैं, they only touch the surface of what you can touch on a person's life, right?
Yes.
But you actually went in deeper to peel back those words and understand the emotion behind them and what compelled him to actually write that. Like what you tried to trail the thread of that thought of where that thought is coming from.
Yeah, and I think it's unfair to any writer to say कि आप बताइए आप क्या सोच रहे थे या क्या कर रहे थे, and I'm sure Gulzar Saab won't be able to say that this is exactly what I was thinking, this was the mood, this was the day when I wrote this,
because it doesn't work like that.
It doesn't work like that. So but the whole point is that to be able to investigate with that curiosity opens up new vantage points. And that's the whole point. This book is The Moonsmith Gulzar orbiting the celebrated words. So I can see that
orbiting is the key word.
Is the key word. So
orbiting is the key word.
So I think that orbiting, that curiosity was always there when I interviewed him as well. So so that's how when we had that interview, 1 hour interview, I divided it into 12 segments. And a lot of those questions of life also appeared in that interview, and I think that was the seed of this book. That interview, that day, 22nd of November 2012, is when I went into this path.
Yes.
And I think when I came back, when I got this amazing feedback, and also having this unsatisfactory corporate life, it all sort of culminated into the point where you're like, okay, what's my purpose? Okay, this is it.
I can imagine, like, for you to have such a profound experience with a hero of yours.
Yes.
And
that will truly transform your path, right?
And having all of that high, riding that high of having that interview done and meeting Gulzar Saab and trying to explore his work, and then coming back to your job at 9 to 5.
Yeah, it doesn't make sense.
Yeah, it doesn't make sense.
Although, I'll tell you a distinct moment in my life after 2012 is when I used to go to work, I felt more enriched to be able to do the exact same work.